Hey everyone, before we move ahead, please click on the subscribe button to stay updated on our weekly business and finance related content, which is incredibly useful for business owners, CEOs, CFOs, entrepreneurs, and those who aspire to be one. Now let's get back to the video. As a free zone person, if you want to remain tax-free and being a qualified free zone person, you must have adequate substance in your free zone or a designated zone if you are doing distribution business. In this video, we'll be discussing the basics of substance and core income generating activities in relation to the 9% corporate tax regime in UAE. The concept of core income generating activities or CIGA is not new to us. We've discussed this in our older videos in relating to economic substance regulations. CIGA is basically the activities that are important to the business and add value to generate revenue for the company. To test for substance, it varies based on business to business. To assess for substance, we must do the following. Identify the core income generating activities relating to the business that it performs to derive the qualifying income. Secondly, identify the assets, employees, and operational costs associated with each core income generating activity. You must make sure not to repeat the employee in multiple core income generating activities. Finally, we must evaluate whether these assets, employees, and operational costs are consistent with the nature, size, and revenue of the activities and transactions generated by the qualifying income conducted in the free zone. The last step of evaluation requires some level of judgment and practical knowledge. The test would vary based on different industries. For example, the shipping business would have different core income generating activities compared to a distribution business. Even within the same industry, there would be different tests and evaluations to be done based on the size of the company and the revenue of the company. It's also acceptable for a qualifying free zone person to outsource some of their core income generating activities, as long as the following conditions are met. It is outsourced to a free zone entity or a designated zone entity if it's a distribution business. The outsourced activity can be monitored, controlled, and there is adequate supervision of these outsourced activity. The outsourced entity has adequate employees, expenditures, and physical assets to perform this outsourced activity. Hey everyone, you've reached the end of this video. Thank you all for listening. If you like this content, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. If you'd like for us to talk about any specific topics, please do let us know in the comments below. Hope to see you in the next video.